Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I will be showing you how to insert comments in Google Docs. So let's begin. First we open Docs app. So let's click on the plus sign to form a new document. So let's write my channel name, Simple Solutions. So here to insert the comment, first we should select the portion that we have wrote. Select all. Then here we can see there is a add comment option, so we click on that. Here we click on allow. So let's write something. Can you hire me? To view the comment, we can click on the view comment. Here we can see can you hire me. So we can add another comment by clicking on add a reply. So let's write dot 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 dot. Or we can mention someone and ask for their feedback. On this. So what this does is when you have a bigger document, here we have just two words, but if we have bigger documents, we can ask for others' opinion on that. So for that we can mention on those people's email ID. So this is how you reply a comment on Google Docs. You can comment down below to know about the further queries. Hope you liked the video. Please share, subscribe and like the video. Have a good day.